Done! A fluffy white cloud.
We have stars. A moon. A cloud. And a heart. Our banner will look like the night sky.
Let's add a sun too. I'll make a big yellow circle. Ta-da! A bright, shiny sun.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Grab your scissors and get ready. Shapes are waiting to be snipped, clipped, and turned into something amazing. Let's make some cutting-edge creations.
Look at all these decorations. Sorrow! The balloons, the banners, everything looks so fun!
Hey, that banner has letters cut out in cool shapes.
How did they make those? They look perfect!
I bet we could make our own banner for home. Imagine one with all sorts of fun shapes.
Oh, let's do it! But how do we cut the shapes neatly?
Okay. We need shapes for our banner. I'll make stars and circles.
And I'll do hearts and triangles. Ah, my heart shape looks wobbly.
It's okay. Try going slow and moving the paper, not the scissors.
It worked! My heart is perfect.
Look at this star. Cutting the points was tricky, but I did it. I'm going to make a moon now.
That looks hard to cut.
I'll go slowly. See? You just follow the curve like this.
That looks amazing! I want to try something fun too.
What's that?
A cloud! It's just a bunch of bumpy curves. Done! A fluffy white cloud.
We have stars. A moon. A cloud. And a heart. Our banner will look like the night sky.
Let's add a sun too. I'll make a big yellow circle. Ta-da! A bright, shiny sun!
Now we have day and night on our banner.
Let's glue these together and make our banner super colorful.
Now let's clean up the tiny paper scraps before Mama sees the mess.
Now it's the time for quiz. Which tool is the best choice for cutting out paper shapes safely? Option A. Safety scissors. Option B. A ruler. Option A is correct. This tool has blades but is designed to be safe for kids. Which picture shows the correct way to hold scissors while cutting? Option A, a picture of a child holding scissors upside down. Option B, a picture of a child holding scissors with fingers in the handle loops. Excellent. Option B is correct. The right grip helps you cut smoothly and safely. Which picture shows a shape that is difficult to cut out neatly? Option A, a picture of a star with many points. Option B, a picture of a circle. Good job! Option A is correct. Shapes with more edges and angles can be tricky to cut. When cutting, you should always move the scissors, not the paper. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. Moving the paper helps with smooth cuts. It's better to turn the paper, not the scissors. Using slow and careful cuts will help make shapes look neater. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Rushing can make your shapes look uneven. Good job, kids! Up next, we're turning cutout shapes into something amazing. Get ready to stick, arrange, and create. See you soon for a colorful adventure. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.